How to use Google Lens on iPhone. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how you can open and use the Google Lens on your iPhone device. So let's dive right in. First thing you need to do is open the Google on your device. Open it right here. Tap on Google. Now as you do that, you can see the Google Lens right here. Tap on it. Now you can just tap and continue. Now you can detect the object by just clicking it from here like this. Place the object right here and simply tap on the search right here. Now to do that, AI will generate the images right here. You can see right here it's generated right here. Now you can also tap on this translate like right here and just tap and change language to translate it. Like you can choose any language you prefer from here. And that's it. This is how you can use the Google Lens on your device. Hope this helped. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.